Stay.
Oh no, Mom left. What am I supposed to do all by myself? Oh, I hope she comes back soon. Is this thing on? Hi, it's Brady, and welcome to my show. Mom left me all by myself. Want to see my new toy? Oh, I'm so bored. Maybe I can stack my rings. Ooh, or play basketball. Score! I'm hungry. I'm gonna go buy some snacks. Be right back. Need the money first. Ooh, so much to choose from. I'm gonna have a party. Ooh, my pizza's done. Uh-oh, too much pop juice. Oh, look at the mess I made. I better clean up before Mom gets back. Wow, all this partying has made me tired. Yay, finally! Mom is back. I had a fun day, but please don't ever leave again.